So, welcome to the pop-up for this week. Yeah, I'm sure some of you are a little surprised that I'm popping up on Tuesday, but guess what? It's a pop-up. So, it's going to just happen whenever I feel like it. All right. So, let's make sure everything on Facebook is situated. It is. It's situated to the best of my ability. Cool. We've got some issues over here on Instagram. Sorry, I'm trying to get you guys set up. So you just have to go there. You are. Yeah, and I'll lean back. All right, so I, as you know, am in the process of running Summer Science Club. So you are going to get, yes, a very, very quick pop-up today because we don't have a lot of time. It's me, Miss Steph. Hi, yeah, name on the t-shirt and all that kind of stuff. And I am the founder of a program called Miss Steph Science Club, and we are operated by Triple F Empowerment Inc. For those of you wondering what the F means and why it's called Triple F Empowerment Inc., well, guess what? My last name is Farmer, and to honor my family and to establish a certain kind of legacy, we have different ways in our society, right, that we establish legacy. And that is one, to start an organization with the name. And so that's where the triple F comes from. Thanks, Dad and younger brother. He's not my little brother anymore, younger brother, for your support. And they're the other two F's, okay, in triple F. Just in case you're wondering, for those of you who don't care, hey, such is life. But that's where we get the name Triple F Empowerment Inc. Now, let's get right into the pop-up. This pop-up is really just to give you a quick little insight into what we are doing at Summer Science Club. And this week, it's Tech Week for us. Technology, right? The T in STEAM. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. And here at Science Club, we go through the letters of STEAM for the first 5 weeks of our program. And our 6th week, we do a scientific inquiry week. And it's week 2. So we're doing technology right now. Technology, the simple, right? Definition for technology that we're using at Science Club is that technology is something that makes our lives easier or more enjoyable. And technology does not have to be operated by electricity. However, electricity is a form of technology, and things that run off of electricity are forms of technology. And today we are learning about electrical circuits. Okay? And circuits are a pathway for electricity. Electricity being the flow of electrons. I have several different videos on electricity, but I do not have a video on this particular kit. Snap circuits. Everybody say snap circuits. This is a great kit. This is a kit that I actually re-upped on. This is a new one, but this is something that I purchased for my kids in the 2012 Summer Science Club. Actually, not the 2012, the 2013 Summer Science Club is actually when we got our first Snap Circuits kit. But like I said, this year I re-upped and got brand new kits for everyone. Each child that was in the appropriate age group got their very own set of snap circuits. Why? Because that's what we're doing this year. We're providing children with their own set of materials so that they can follow along when they're sitting in their home and have that hands-on experience. So let's go ahead and build something with our snap circuit kit now. Like I said, this is a fun kit, and it teaches quite a few concepts, and so I can't even go into everything that it teaches, but I did get these online. I did have to order them. Okay, snap circuits from Elinco, I think is the name of the company, and they have been doing this for years. So I've got this grid that I'm going to mount all of my things on. Okay. Hi. Thank you so much for joining us, for joining me. Okay. But yes, this is my base that I'm going to be working with. And I'm going to follow the schematic. All right. So I'm going to hop to project 5, project that one of my students chose earlier today. And like I said, I won't be before you long because I need to hop back online and teach a class, right? Um, yes, so project number 5. Actually, let's do peculiar. All right, yes. So I'm going to do this project. I'll put this one together. So what a child would do, a child or person, right, would do is make sure that they have all of their materials, okay, and they're following the picture. So I'm just going to follow the picture and put it together and see what we can get. There are a total of 5 pieces from the kit that I need for this. All right, this is one piece. This is my switch. Then I need, so this is not the project that I want to do, people. Sorry. Yes, that's what I want to do. I actually want to do project number 2. All right. It's my live, folks. I reserve the right to change my mind very quickly. Yes, there we go. So I need this. I'm also going to need the fan, the propeller situation. I need a number 3 piece. The thing with the snap circuits is that this is what makes it different from our smart circuits, right, that we've used before, is that everything, instead of the wires being connected by the young person, they're snapping things together. Okay, so that's piece number 3. Next item that I need is my motor. And what's great about this, right, we know that electricity is directional. And on these pieces, I can see that I have my plus here. Okay, so I know that that's the plus end of where my batteries will go. And so that's the next piece that I'll grab out and pull out. All right. Once again, it's Miss Steph doing the midweek. Tuesday is like the early part of midweek, the midweek pop up. And we are putting something together with snap circuits today. All right. So, Facebook, let's tilt you. Okay. There we go. Instagram, you're already tilted, people. Okay, so this is what I've got. Yeah, and that's where I was pulling my materials from. All right. So let's put everything together based on the picture that I have on this particular schematic. So I'm going to follow the fact that, okay, that this has letters here and numbers here. All right. So I've got C. So I'm going to come down to C and come to 2, and that's where my 3 will go down. Bear with me, folks. It's going to be cool when it turns on. Okay? Right? So that's where my 3 is going to go down. Then I need to make sure that I've got my batteries, right? My source of electricity. We're learning about electrical circuits today. And for an electrical circuit to work, don't I need a source of electricity? Hello? Yeah. All right. Yes. Everything needs a source, people. Hello. All right. And then I've got my switch. This switch has an off and an off and on written on there. Highly suggest you turn it to the off position. Okay. Make sure it's in the off position. Then this, like I said, has our plus. And I see that that's pointed out on the schematic, right? You see that there on the schematic. They specifically tell you that you need to have the plus on a certain side. So I know that my plus needs to go where my battery side is, where my plus is on the battery. Boom, boom. Now, I'm going to test to see whether or not my circuit works. And guess what? It does. Okay? And now I'm putting on my final piece. Ladies and gentlemen, persons, And let's see if my fan will spin. What? So, yes, this is like so fun. I got this kit. Thank you for the question on Instagram. I got this kit on Amazon. All right. On Amazon, reasonably priced. Okay. On Amazon. All right. And so the fan is spinning. Oh, off. And let's see if we can turn it back on. Now, I'm closing my circuit. I'm completing my circuit when I turn a switch to the on position. All right, back off. So let me hold this up for my friend on Instagram that had a question about it. All right, it is cool. So this is what it is. Okay, let me show you the box before I head off. Because snap circuits come in different kits. This is the one that says, oh, let me turn it up properly. Build over 100 electronic projects. Okay, so this is the one that you want. All right. Yes. Thumbs up to you for like coming on. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah. So I got to roll out. Like I said, I am in the middle of running Summer Science Club, but I just wanted to come on very quickly and say hello to you and let you check out the snap circuits. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your day. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Stay safe, everybody.